Our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create YouTube shorts in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create YouTube shorts in Canva, it's basically a very simple step. All you got to do is simply go to Canva, and once you are in your Canva application, you need to now simply select the template. You can go to the template section, and once you have selected it, you can simply go and tap on like discover designs and stuff like that. Once you have selected your design as well, you need to make sure that you're selecting a correct vertical format. Like your YouTube shorts is in vertical format, so you need to select a vertical formatted template, and now you can add your content. You can simply customize it with text, music, effect, and then simply export your final video. So once this is done, you will be able to simply create YouTube shorts in your Canva application. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.